Hello guys, welcome again to another BTC update. I hope you're doing great today. We have a nice Bitcoin update for you, all of you, so please stick around till the end of the video because I will be sharing a lot of information. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Please help the channel grow so I can keep doing these for you. It really means a lot if you can just, hit that like button and, that subscribe button. With that said, let's just jump straight to the charts and see what's happening with BTC. Actually, today's Bitcoin update is going to be pretty easy in my personal opinion. It's not going to take too long to tell you, but I'm just going to show you what I see. So, obviously, what happened is very, very normal in my personal opinion. Well, at least from my charts, we dropped towards the bottom of this red channel right here, which is the top of the green channel. Did a fake out and then just bounced up and now basically got rejected near the heartline of our channel around $32,430. After that, we dropped and we found support on this resistance trend line that now has been confirmed as support till now. And obviously now Bitcoin is looking like it's heading up. Now there's a problem with this. There's good news and there's bad news. So let me just first talk about the similarities with the bad news. So you see this scenario right here. It's very typical and very similar to this one right here. As you can see, let me just show you right there. This right here is very similar to this right here, where you basically consolidate in this, triple lower high triangle type of pattern, similar to here. And then we broke out. And then after that, we formed this nice BART, similar to what we did here. And then after that, we retraced almost fully and held the trend line for at least a couple of days before dropping below it. And then, you know what happens after. Now, I don't think there will be this. I'm not saying that this whole move is gonna play out, but I think something similar to at least from here to here before moving up, forming a nice double bottom like we've been talking about, having a nice rally to the upside. Hopefully we don't drop towards 23.5 or 20k region similar to here, but I will obviously keep you updated. And this resistance trend line was pretty good because it was telling us where the support bounces will come out. We had a small fake out here, a bounce, and then we had a nice drop to the heartline of the channel and then moved up once more for a nice relief rally. So what I'm expecting right now is I'm expecting something similar to this. Currently, we are right here, almost right there. So right there. So as you can see, we will have a nice relief rally in my personal opinion. If we break certain levels, then it's not a relief rally anymore. So if we break the previous high, then this scenario is invalidated. But till we break the previous high, this scenario, in my personal opinion, is very valid, especially with the fact that the daily time frame has entered into a bearish downtrend or a pullback on the daily time frame. So confirmation will usually come when the stochastic RSI, both signal and RSI line, cross below 80, which probably will mean today or tomorrow. But I mean, it's looking like it's going for it. It's going for that pullback on the daily. The only reason why we're not dropping, obviously, is because the 4-hour time frame might enter a nice bullish upside. I'm not expecting fireworks, by the way, on this upside. Potentially, maybe just heading towards 30.4, 0.5 tops, maybe around that area. If we get lucky, maybe we can reach, even higher, around 31,200. But we will have to wait and see. But obviously, after that, I'm expecting the same thing that happened here. So I'm expecting a nice consolidation, a resistance, basically hitting our heads on resistance and then dropping one more time, potentially breaking the trend line, forming a nice double bottom, and then after that, moving upwards. Now, keep in mind that the double bottom can be, so you can go to 27 and it's going to be considered a double bottom. You can go to 27.6. You can go to 26. You can go to 25. So 1,000, 2,000 up or down from the previous low, which is around 26,650 is still considered a double bottom. So if we go to 24.5, it's a double bottom. If we go to 28.5 or 28, let's say, it's a double bottom as well. If we find that local bottom there. How will we find that local bottom? Well, obviously the indicators will be telling me this. As of now, I'm expecting something very similar to this happening with a nice relief rally to the upside, at least to the top of the channel, which is coming in around $35,000 to $36,000. But just after we finish our our drop, and I'm pretty confident that this is gonna play out. Obviously if anything changes, I will let you know. As of now, just expect, like I said, a small relief rally, and then expect after that probably a rejection towards the bottom of the trend line again. So you'll see. How will you know that this is playing out? Well, most likely we'll see the trend line failing. So you will see a bounce to the upside, so something similar to this, and then a consolidation around here, and then another drop to the trend line, and then failing this, basically falling below the trend line, going up, hitting our head on the trend line again, and then dropping once more, forming a nice double bottom, as you can see. And this double bottom could be 24,200. Like, till the indicators tell me that the bottom has been reached, I cannot, guess the future. I need indicators to tell me how this goes and where this goes. That's why I specialize at micro analysis, not macro analysis, because micro analysis is something that you have control over if you know your indicators. Macro analysis, things can change, and a lot can change, and your theory becomes invalid. So that is it for today's video. Very quick, very short video. Just keep an eye out on that 30,000, 500 to around $30,800 region for a nice rejection. If we do break above that, it's not clear skies till we break the heart line, or basically till we break the previous high. If we manage to break the previous high, then we can head up towards at least, this trend line right here coming in around $33,500 or $33,700 region, around that area. So yeah, that is the update for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help the channel grow. Follow me on Twitter. Link in the description below. I'm posting a lot of information on Twitter. I would really appreciate if people can help me grow my Twitter account, because it's the most undervalued, I think, Twitter account on Twitter right now. And yeah, if you want to inquire about my private copy trading, private Discord, which now includes copy trading, link is in the description below. You have my referrals as well if you want to use them and just use another copy trader. And if you want to follow our personal traders, then you need to message me on Telegram directly so I can reply to you with the information. So yeah, thank you again for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy your weeks, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.